Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you in this video how to replace heater fan and heater fan resistor on Holden Trax 2014. Customer concern for this vehicle is heater end OC is not working. Carried out some diagnosis and found faulty heater fan and resistor which is located under the glove box. To remove the original heater fan, you have to cut around the fan to take it out. Before replacing the new fan, it's better to give a good clean around the edges using a blade or sandpaper. New fan will come with new 3 screws to mount it back. Refit all removed part including all plastic trims and glove box. If you think this video helped you, give us a like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Your support means a lot to us and it motivates us to create more awesome videos. Thank you.